Umdi Bashnyam Bat Pinjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Jylla kalapan baik ban pelong yaka Rakhe yaka Meghalaya di lani ka singiyo Jylla Bapura jong ka Meghalaya haka arpoi terek ukalalingkot arja penriau haka Shnong Baghmara South Garo Hills District. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad ki sangma haka jekran bat kilat patai kubor haka khatsan terek ukalalingkot arjar penriau. Laitu baka Rakhe yaka nigasi kansan long ha baro ko ke Jylla bat baro ki jing berkrea kila yad bet nadong shadong kumbalatmu. Laitu baka jingtumu jong ka Sorkar Jylla ban Rakhe yaka Meghalaya di haka Shnong Baghmara kalong ban kentiu yaka yo kakot jong kipajba sa ki Shnong bakandong ka Jylla bat ban soturu yaki jinge ba kipajba haki jaka bakandong tam ka Jylla ki yakandu jinge.
Meghalaya Day celebration, like I had announced earlier, that we would like to see the Meghalaya Day celebration go to all the corners of the state. So in that line, I'm happy to announce that the Meghalaya Day celebration this year will be in Baghmara, South Garo Hills.
What is the preparation?
All preparations are on. People are there. I myself will be going ahead to make sure the preparations are good. So I'm reaching there on 20th. We'll spend the night there. And 21st morning we'll have the program. And I hope it's going to be good. Of course, I mean, there are challenges, obviously, because large number of people will be going. But, you know, it's great to see that we have got a large number of homestays now in Baghmara. So it's a great blessing. And in fact, I stay in a homestay every time I go there. I have my permanent homestay there. So it's great. So I see that the infrastructures come up in that way. So it'll be better, but the challenge is always there. But I always believe that this is how we take governance to impact the local economy, at the same time promote it and ensure that we are there at the grassroots level to understand the problems, to meet the people. So all of this will happen.